may 93 million na nga. Hindi naman wala.
He said sa request niyang 200, zero yung dagdag. Yun yung sinabi. So sa tanong naman ni Senator Robin no about I think some of the letters were sent to the subcommittee chairperson Senator Pia. So I see it reflected naman just for the record no. So may additional 100 million tama sa National Commission on Indigenous
Actually,
People.
until 10 o'clock, nag-uusap pa ho kami ni Senator Pia. But I'll let Senator Pia answer that.
And I will warn everyone, I am not as calm as the chairman when it comes to this topic. Because as I said during the defense of the budget, and I think all our colleagues can attest that in the 7 years that I've handled the budget, we follow our protocols. I'm very consistent. We give every agency the opportunity to make their appeals during the hearing or briefing. Give them a deadline so that we can include if they are able to comply and if they're able to satisfy the requirements. We include it in the committee report that we submit to the chairperson. May sulat na pinadala. Wala naman detalye. 200 million for mapping and cadastral survey and mapping. 200 million. Something like that, I always ask the agency to justify. Malay ko ba kung magkano magpa-mapping? Malay ko ba kung isang engineer lang gagawa nun? Malay ko ba kung mag-hire sila ng isang construction firm to handle that? And remember, with all the anomalies going on, we have to be careful. And I have colleagues, I don't know if they want to be mentioned, that they told me na ang daming kalokohan dyan. So it's my job to protect what we are endorsing. So yun lang naman hinihingi ko. Kailan ko natanggap yung breakdown ng 200 million? Kagabi, anong oras? Ngayon, this morning. Tapos magagalit sa akin ang colleague natin. It is my job to present to you a budget that I have been able to justify, that I have been able to vet. Now, what is the utilization rate? Common yan. Ask anyone here who has chaired a committee. Tatanungin ka ng chairman, what is the utilization rate? Yung budget nila last year, 9 million, 6 million. Ang utilization ng unang sinabi sa amin, 50% of 6 million. Tapos humingi sila sa NEP at binigyan sila ng 93 million. From 6, nag-jump sa 93. Oh, ang ganda naman nun, di ba? Hindi naman sila humingi ng mas marami. So dito sila ngayon humihingi. No problem, that is our job. Pero i-justify nyo naman sa akin ng maayos. So pag naglabi naman sa inyo, ang mga agency, i-justify nyo lang naman. Yun lang naman ang sinasabi ko. So I can do my job well. Yun lang naman. Pero kinonsider ng ating chairman, dahil tayo naman lahat dito, nagmamalasakit naman sa mga IT. So I just want to point out that I'm just doing my job. Sana yung iba din, gawin din nila yung trabaho. Thank you.
Mr. President, ganyan na ganyan yung tatay namin na pag humingi kami ng pera, sesermonan ka na. Pero pag na-justify mo, ibibigay naman. So hindi ko na ididebate. I appreciate the work you're doing. It's justified. You know, kung ang titignan natin ay yung low utilization, wala tayong bibigyan na departamento kasi kalahati ng departamento natin, mababa yung utilization. Now, yung kadastre, yes, madaming anomalya, pero mas malaking anomalya yung nagkakamkam ng lupa at yung napapatituluhan nila sa pangalan nila nasa IP. So, again, no, I appreciate both sides. I appreciate the side of Senator Robin. I appreciate the side of Senator Pia. Aminado naman si Senator Robin na...
Pero Mr. President, sorry.
Yeah.
Ulitin ko lang ha, may 93 million na nga. Hindi naman wala. So, sana maintindihan din na may 93 million.
Yes.
So ngayon, dahil sa paglabi, dinagdagan na. So sige na,
Yes.
okay na.
Okay.
Pero may 93 million, hindi zero ang binigay. Nagbigyan sila ng 93
No.
million.
He never
from
said
6
zero.
million.
He said sa request niyang 200, zero yung dagdag. Yun yung sinabi.
Pero wag palabasin na walang pera yung agency kasi may 93 million nga sila, Mr. President. Liwanagin ko lang
Yes.
yan. Para lahat ng mga post dyan,
Clear.
malaman naman na may 93 million naman ang agency. Ngayon nadagdagan dahil kapatid kita at pinagbibigyan kayo.
Thank
Yun
you
lang
very
po,
much.
Mr. President.
Thank you very much. So Mr. President, ngayon naintindihan mo ba't siya nasa majority, ako nasa minority.
Joke yun, Mr. President ha. Alam ng lahat, hindi ko yan pinagbibigyan dahil kapatid ko, kabaliktaran pa nga ang mangyayari. Pinagbibigyan ko dahil mahal po natin ang mga indigenous people. Pero tayo po, babantayan natin ang agency na gamitin nila ng tama yung pera. Yun lang naman
Yes.
po. Kasi kung si Alan lang ang humihingi, I will always listen. Pero kailangan pa rin mag-justify. Thank you po.
At kung kayo naman ang tatanungin mga kababayan, ano kaya ang inyong reaksyon at komento sa balitang ito? Please comment down below at huwag na rin kalimutang i-like at share ang ating video.
Thank you for watching.